If you're looking for Bluetooth earmuffs that protect your hearing and let you stream music or take calls, you're in the right spot. In this video, we're reviewing the 5 best Bluetooth earmuffs, focusing on models with high noise reduction, NRR, long battery life, and great audio quality. Whether you need protection for work, shooting, or loud environments, these picks deliver. Check the description for all product links. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews, gear breakdowns, and buying guides. Let's jump straight into the list. At number 5, we have the ISOtunes LINK Bluetooth Earmuff. The ISOtunes LINK Bluetooth Earmuff delivers everything customers want in top-tier Bluetooth hearing protection, power, comfort, and long-lasting durability. With an ANSI-certified 25 decibel NRR and OSHA approval, it reliably blocks harmful noise while letting you enjoy wireless audio and clear two-way Bluetooth communication. It's the perfect balance of safety and convenience. Comfort is another huge win. The padded headband and memory foam cushions make these earmuffs ideal for long workdays, while the raised control buttons let you adjust audio effortlessly, even with gloves on. No distractions, no hassle. Battery life is exceptional. You get up to 50 hours on a single charge, plus the option to use AAA batteries for an additional 100 hours. That's unbeatable reliability for extended shifts or all-day outdoor work. With its rugged build, foldable frame, and IPX4 water resistance, the ISOtunes LINK stands out as a durable, professional-grade solution for anyone needing premium Bluetooth hearing protection. At number 4, we have the Walker's Razr Earmuffs. The Walker's Razr Earmuffs are a powerhouse pick for anyone seeking premium Bluetooth-friendly hearing protection with a sleek, ultra-low profile design. Built for shooters, hunters, and outdoor enthusiasts, these earmuffs shield your ears from hazardous noise while still keeping you fully aware of your surroundings. A perfect balance of safety and awareness. What sets them apart is the sound amplification technology. With 2 high-gain microphones, the Razr amplifies safe, natural sounds in all directions, giving you crystal-clear awareness on the range or in the field. The enhanced low-end frequencies make everything sound sharp and accurate. Durability is another major win. The rugged rubberized coating protects internal electronics, while the sound-dampening composite housing ensures long-lasting performance. The padded metal wire headband adds comfort and toughness in one. With easy-to-use controls and an exterior battery door, the Walker's Razr earmuffs deliver convenience, protection, and pro-level awareness, making them an excellent choice for serious shooters and outdoor users alike. At number 3, we have the MUSICOZY Bluetooth Headphones Earmuffs. The MUSICOZY Bluetooth Headphones Earmuffs deliver a perfect mix of warmth, comfort, and immersive audio, making them a standout choice for winter activities. With enhanced surround sound and built-in HD speakers, every note feels close, rich, and crystal clear. Whether you're biking, running, or commuting, these wireless earmuffs keep you entertained and connected with seamless Bluetooth pairing up to 33 feet. What really elevates them is the reflow thermal design, engineered to retain heat and block cold winds effortlessly. The thicker cotton padding around the ears provides superior insulation, giving you unbeatable warmth during chilly outdoor adventures. It's the ideal upgrade for anyone who wants comfort without sacrificing sound quality. Battery life is another big win. With just a 2-hour charge, you get up to 14 hours of non-stop use. Perfect for long days on the go. Stylish, practical, and packed with premium audio performance, the MUSICOZY earmuffs are a must-have tech accessory for anyone wanting warmth and wireless convenience this winter. At number 2, we have the PROHEAR 033 upgraded Bluetooth earmuffs. The PROHEAR 033 upgraded Bluetooth earmuffs deliver top-level hearing protection with outstanding wireless performance, making them a must-have for anyone working in loud environments. With advanced Bluetooth 5.4, you get a lightning-fast, stable connection. No dropouts, no interruptions. The built-in mic and multifunction button let you take calls effortlessly, while the hi-fi speakers provide rich, clear sound without compromising your safety. A standout feature is the built-in FM/AM radio. The The high-sensitivity antenna delivers strong reception and crisp audio, and you can save 10 AM and 10 FM presets for quick access. Whether you're mowing the lawn or listening to game commentary, staying entertained has never been easier. With a certified 25 decibel NRR, these earmuffs block harmful noise effectively, keeping your ears protected during mowing, snow blowing, woodworking, and more. Durable ABS plastic, ultra-soft cushions, and an impressive 48-hour playtime make the PROHEAR 033 a reliable, comfortable, and high-value choice for long workdays. And finally, at number 1, we have the PROHEAR 0302.0. The PROHEAR 0302.0. Bluetooth rechargeable earmuffs are a game-changer for anyone needing premium hearing protection with wireless convenience. Featuring the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology, these earmuffs provide a stable connection up to 33 feet, letting you stream music, podcasts, or take calls seamlessly from any Bluetooth-enabled device, perfect for work or outdoor adventures. Built specifically for shooting and hunting, they offer NRR 22 decibels/SNR 27 decibels protection. Recessed microphones amplify important environmental sounds under 82 decibels while reducing wind noise, giving you clear awareness and communication without compromising safety. The slim, low-profile cups are designed to accommodate rifle and shotgun stocks comfortably, making them ideal for serious shooters. Comfort meets durability with ultra-soft ear pads, a padded headband, and a lightweight 0.63-pound design. Rubberized coating adds a premium feel and long-lasting resilience. The PROHEAR 0302.0 delivers unbeatable value. Stable Bluetooth, safety, comfort, and rugged design, all in one sleek package. Perfect for anyone seeking professional-grade Bluetooth earmuffs. If you're looking to combine warmth and music on chilly days, these Bluetooth earmuffs deliver an experience that's truly hard to beat. Whether you want cozy comfort, crisp sound, or stylish design, each option on this list brings something unique to the table. If any of these caught your eye, check the links below to explore them further. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more guides that help you stay warm and connected. See you in the next video.